Hello, today we're going to talk about natural resources. By the end of today's video, you should be able to answer the question, what are natural resources and how did key resources come to exist? Natural resources are materials that are found in nature such as minerals, trees, fish, soil, light, water, honey, oil, and so on. Natural resources are essential for sustaining our lives as they include food, air, and water. Natural resources are also used to enhance our lives as they are used to make tools, shelter, and provide us a source of energy. Natural resources can be categorized as either renewable or non-renewable. Renewable resources are made over short periods of time, days, months, decades. In general, as long as a resource being consumed or used can be replaced within a lifetime or so, it would be safe to call it renewable. Non-renewable resources are made over long periods of time, taking thousands to millions of years to replace. There are too many resources to cover in detail, so we will focus on key resources. The resources needed to maintain human civilization, such as fossil fuels, soil, and groundwater. Let's start with fossil fuels. Their origin is ancient marshes, swamps, and ocean basins. These environments are ideal for dead plants and animals, aka organic matter, to get buried in sediments. Swamps, marshes, and ocean basins get buried under layers of rock and sediments, which creates a low oxygen environment. The weight of the layers above add pressure to those underneath. Eventually, plate tectonics brings magma closer, providing heat. Hundreds of millions of years later, we have fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and gas. With oil forming from plankton and algae, coal from land plants, and natural gas forming with extremely high heat and pressure. To recap, if you have organic matter, low oxygen, and a lot of pressure and heat, plus 100 million years, you'll get fossil fuels. Now let's move on to soil. Soil's origin is rock. Lichen and moss will grow on new rock, which slowly breaks it down. Weathering and erosion will also break rock down, creating sediments. Sediments and dead lichen or moss, aka organic matter, will collect and mix, creating soil. Here are sediments, and here is our organic matter, dead lichen and moss. This is a slow process. It'll take 500 to thousands of years to make just 1 inch of soil. Additionally, waste products, aka organic matter, is also added to the soil and introduces seeds. Let's recap. Sediments plus organic matter plus 500 to thousands of years gives us 1 inch of soil. Let's talk about groundwater. Groundwater's origin is precipitation, mostly in the form of rain or snow. Water percolates through permeable rock layers. It takes hundreds of years to fill deep aquifers. A rock layer that's filled or saturated with water is called an aquifer. To put simply, precipitation plus permeable rock layers plus hundreds of years gives us groundwater. Lastly, let's talk about ore. Ore originates from magma. Magma cools, forming ore. Ore is rock with high amounts of a specific mineral. It'll take millions of years of weathering and erosion to bring ore closer to the surface, where it's accessible for mining. To recap, cooled magma plus weathering and erosion plus millions of years gives us accessible ore deposits. Now you should be able to answer the question, what are natural resources and how did key resources come to exist? That's it for now. Till next time, bye.